All right, fellas, today's warm-up's gonna be simple. 50 bear crawls, uphill, backwards, blindfolded, all right? Then when you're done with that, I wanna do a drill I like to call instant death. You're gonna run foul pole to foul pole non-stop, and every time you breathe, you restart. Then when you're done with that, you're gonna grab a 45-pound plate dumbbell, hold it over your head until I say so, and tell me your biggest fears. And that's just the warm-up. After that, you're gonna do a plank until you start seeing colors that don't exist. Then we're gonna follow it up with water jug wind sprints. If you even spill even a little bit, that's a team penalty and you have to also restart. Then we're gonna split into groups of 3 and you're gonna do farmer carries with your teammates. Then we're gonna finish it off with burpees. Every time you blink, you add another 30 reps to that. Do you hear me?
Wait, this can't be real, bro.
And if we hustle hard today and I don't see anybody slacking off, maybe, just maybe, I'll give you a little quick water break. All right, go get it, boys.
Come on.